Good evening. I'm so excited to be able to share with you our Christmas gift boxes. I'm in my little Christmas outfit. I've even got myself a little glass of Prosecco because, quite frankly, why wouldn't I? I always tell you, light your candle and enjoy the whole facial experience. So here's the first little bit of your kit, is a little tea light which has been set with gold leaf throughout it. This has actually been hand done by my sister, so it really is a very special little candle. The boxes are beautiful. The box itself has been specially commissioned. If I show you how your gift box is going to come, it's a lift off lid hard box. They've been specially commissioned for a company near London, and when you open the lid, this is the treat that greets you. So it says, be your own kind of beautiful. It's a real personal kind of feel-good comment that we have displayed on the wall in the clinic because it really is how things should be. And one of my friends has said you could actually put this in a frame if you wanted to, once you've used your box. So the box is all about gold and silver, hence my sparkles. And, turn around that way. Ooh, there. This is a little collection of things that you are going to get inside your box. So 2 sheet masks, 1 gold collagen, 1 silver hyaluronic mask from Filmed, and a whole variety of lotions and potions that I'm going to talk you through. A special vibrating sculpting stick to help you massage, help your lymphatic drainage in your face, and do some little sculpting of your cheeks and chin, and a bamboo cloth. So I'm going to set myself up for a facial and talk you through some of the loveliness that's inside this kit. So the first stage of any facial is to wash your face really well. And I've chosen for the Christmas boxes my favourite face wash from Lumiere, which is the creamiest of their formulations. What I like about it is that it dissolves all your makeup at the same time. So if you're doing this on Christmas Day, I would use half of it first and just massage it all around. I'm actually going to take all my makeup off now and massage it all round. It's got a lot of argan oil in it, so because it's an oily formulation, it helps dissolve your makeup. Now I've got little panda eyes. So bamboo face cloth. For those who received the November box, you also got bamboo face cloth. So if you've got 2, it might be quite nice to use 2 on your face. You do sort of both sides at the same time. That can feel really lovely. So gently wipe your face with the bamboo cloth. You're using the opportunity of washing your face to provide the start of the exfoliation of your skin, because the more you exfoliate older skin, the better your skin responds, and the fresher the skin looks, less grey, the quicker the cells turn over, so the brighter the skin stays. So I would really recommend that you do that a second time if you've been wearing makeup, to make sure that the first layer takes off all the makeup and the second layer just cleans your face. So that's the first part of your facial. So masks come in a variety of forms, and the 2 I've chosen for these treatments are a Filmed mask, which is loaded in collagen, hyaluronic acid and aloe to soothe. This feels really cooling on your skin, and it's a single sheet mask. The gold collagen mask, and this is where reading ingredients and understanding what you're doing is so important, doesn't really contain collagen. What it contains though is a lot of botanicals to work as antioxidants, and it's loaded in hyaluronic acid. So it is a beautiful mask, but the gold collagen is the name of the company that's producing it, not the contents of what's in here. So this is a 2-piece gel mask. It feels lovely. Once it goes on your skin, it feels really cool, comes to room temperature, and then releases all the products into your face. This is the one I'm going to show you how to put on, because it's actually a little bit tricky and there's probably more chance of me getting it right or being able to do it on the camera than a two-piece mask. So it comes on this very clever little piece of net. There's 3 parts to this mask. So you open up the netting, and if you put the netting on your hand, you will, there we go, open it up, put the netting on your hand, you will be able to lift off the blue gel piece from the netting, get rid of the netting, and then you want to put this on your face with the blue part facing out. I really am never sure why I keep doing these things on social media, but I love the idea that you're going to get really great results because you're using the products right. So, and once that's on your face, you should be quite easily able to grab a little bit of this blue blue paper and peel it away, leaving the mask on your face underneath, which then, because it's thinner, you're going to be able to shape onto your face and leave it. Now, this wonderful mask has been really robustly tested, and that's one of the reasons why you've got it in your box. As with everything that goes into these little curated boxes, they're not living on a world of scientific thin air. So this, actually 15 minutes on your face has been pretty well tested, so it's going to increase the hydration by about 30%. So you need to leave it on for about at least 15 minutes. Run around the house if you want to, like Casper the Ghost. Let your family laugh at you because they're going to be jealous at how smooth your skin feels afterwards. Because these products are going to do wonders to make your skin feel soft and supple on the outside. So once the time has come to an end, you can simply take it and peel it down, and that's the end of that mask. And then it's time to go on to the moisturising stage. You might want to wait a little while before you do your moisturising to let all that loveliness from the mask soak into your skin, or use your little vibrating stick to give your skin a nice rub now, making sure you follow the contours of the face and allow the lymphatic drainage to be improved whilst you are gently pushing more of the product into your skin and helping all that hyaluronic acid get down into your skin and make it feel extra smooth. So these have all been tested as they've gone into your boxes individually, so they should all be perfect, although you might need to fiddle a little bit at the end to make sure it's working well. You can also use your little gold stick to put in the moisturising, the moisturisers. So I've chosen for you specifically the youth cream from Filmed because it is back with that lovely ingredient argan oil, which makes it a really thick and creamy moisturiser to put on, and there's mango extract in it, so it smells really fresh, lightly fruity, it's not too strong, and you can rub that in just beautifully. The eye cream's got as a much lighter formulation. There is a lot in this sachet. You really don't need a lot. Just a tiny little squeeze. Use your ring finger so that you don't put very much pressure under your eyes, and then just gently dot it in. You can even use these pressure points along your eyebrows, just add a little bit more relaxation, which is really nice, and that helps this very thin skin under your eyes be really hydrated and just minimises the wrinkles that are there or not there. If you want to use the little stick again, that's absolutely fine, it's lovely. But other than that, that's the end of your facial, and it just leaves me to say to you all, have a lovely Christmas. I'd like to thank you all so much for all the support over the year, and I look forward to welcoming you back for the January face kit. Might be time for a little chocolate now as well. See you soon.